The modern food environment contains products that are engineered to override your body's natural satiety signals, inflame your gut lining, disrupt your hormones, and drive chronic disease. These are not fringe findings. They are the conclusions of large population studies with hundreds of thousands of participants. Knowing which foods are the worst offenders, and why, changes how you shop and eat permanently. A 2019 study in the BMJ followed over 100,000 French adults and found that every 10% increase in ultra-processed food consumption was associated with a 12% increase in cancer risk. A parallel Spanish study found that consuming 4 or more portions of ultra-processed foods daily was associated with a 62% increased risk of all-cause mortality. These are not small effects, and they're not isolated findings. In this video, we are going to see the research-backed categories of food that have the most consistent evidence of harm, the mechanisms behind why each category damages health, and the best evidence-based replacements for each one. Research shows this pattern is more consistent across populations than previously understood. Studies find these effects are measurable and reproducible across independent research groups. The critical distinction is between whole foods that have been processed for preservation, like canned tomatoes or frozen vegetables, and ultra-processed food products that are industrial formulations containing little or no whole food. The NOVA classification system, developed by Brazilian epidemiologist Carlos Monteiro, separates these categories with precision. Ultra-processed foods are the problem. Minimally processed foods are not. Trans fats were the most conclusively dangerous food ingredient ever identified in nutritional research. Artificially produced by partially hydrogenating vegetable oils, they raise LDL cholesterol, lower HDL, and directly promote atherosclerosis. Research in Circulation estimated that eliminating industrial trans fats from the food supply could prevent 100,000 U.S. heart disease deaths annually. The FDA banned them in 2018, but trace amounts still appear in products containing less than 0.5 g per serving. Replacing problematic foods doesn't have to be difficult or expensive. Research on dietary substitution shows that swapping ultra-processed items for whole food equivalents produces rapid improvements in metabolic markers, often within 4 to 8 weeks. The key is understanding which specific swaps produce the largest health impact. Research shows this pattern is more consistent across populations than previously understood. Sugary beverages are the most well-documented dietary driver of metabolic disease. Unlike solid food, liquid sugar bypasses satiety signaling. A massive meta-analysis of prospective studies found that one 12-ounce serving of sugar-sweetened beverage per day is associated with a 13% increased risk of type 2 diabetes and a 20% increased risk of metabolic syndrome, regardless of overall body weight. Processed meats, bacon, hot dogs, deli meats, and sausage are classified as Group 1 carcinogens by the World Health Organization, meaning there is sufficient evidence that they cause cancer in humans. The specific risk is colorectal cancer, where studies consistently show a 16 to 18% increased risk per 50 grams of processed meat consumed daily. That's roughly 2 strips of bacon or 1 hot dog. When researchers rank foods by strength of evidence for health harm, the hierarchy is consistent across multiple large population studies. Understanding the relative magnitude of harm helps prioritize which changes will have the most impact on your health. Research shows this pattern is more consistent across populations than previously understood. Studies find these effects are measurable and reproducible across independent research groups. Industrial seed oils, refined soybean, corn, cottonseed, and sunflower oils deserve specific attention. While not as conclusively harmful as trans fats or processed meats, their massive increase in the food supply over the past century parallels the rise in inflammatory diseases. They are extremely high in omega-6 linoleic acid, and research suggests that chronically high omega-6 to omega-3 ratios promote inflammatory signaling, a driver of most chronic disease. The food replacement framework is built around a simple hierarchy. Identify the highest harm items in your diet, understand why they're harmful, and choose specific replacements that fill the same practical role without the documented risks. This is not about perfection. It's about removing the few items that carry the most consistent evidence of harm. Research shows this pattern is more consistent across populations than previously understood. The health improvements from removing the most harmful foods follow a predictable timeline. Metabolic markers respond faster than most people expect, partly because the inflammatory and hormonal effects of ultra-processed foods are acute as well as chronic. Research shows this pattern is more consistent across populations than previously understood. Studies find these effects are measurable and reproducible across independent research groups. The most effective way to implement food changes is to focus on removing and replacing one category at a time, starting with the item that appears most frequently in your diet. Research on habit change shows that replacing rather than eliminating produces better long-term adherence. Research shows this pattern is more consistent across populations than previously understood. Studies find these effects are measurable and reproducible across independent research groups. Understanding which harmful food is most dominant in your current diet tells you where to start. The research shows that the biggest single change, whatever it is, produces the fastest improvement in metabolic and inflammatory markers. Research shows this pattern is more consistent across populations than previously understood. Studies find these effects are measurable and reproducible across independent research groups. The foods with the strongest evidence of harm are not mysterious. Sugary beverages, industrial trans fats, daily processed meat consumption, refined grains in excess, and ultra-processed industrial formulations consistently appear in the largest, most methodologically rigorous studies. The replacements are clear, and the health improvements from making these changes are measurable, often within weeks. Research shows this pattern is more consistent across populations than previously understood. You don't need to eat a perfect diet, but the research is clear that a small number of specific foods carry outsized health risks, and that removing them produces real, measurable improvements. Start with the one you consume most. Replace it with something real. Your body keeps an accurate biological record of every choice. If today's video helped clarify something, share it with someone who needs it. Most people never see research summarize this clearly.